Hello students, today we will learn about quadratic equation, exercise 4.3, page number 92, question number 1. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist by the method of completing the square. So first question is what? 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 is equal 0. So first of all, by dividing both sides by 2, we have, why we divide by 2? You see the coefficient of x squared, how much? 2. So you have to divide the equation by 2. So 2x squared by 2 minus 7x by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal 0 by 2. 2 by 2 is 1. We will get what? X squared minus 7x by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal 0 by 2 is 0. So now you see x squared minus 7 by 2x plus 3 by 2 is equal 0. So you have to use the method of completing the square. So here the general quadratic equation is what? Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal 0. Coefficient of x, here how much? Coefficient of x is minus 7 by 2. So it is negative. So here we will use, we have got in the lower class one identity, a minus b whole square is what? A square minus 2a to b plus b square. So that identity we will use here. As per identity, but we have a square. Here x is there, so x square minus, as per identity we have 2. A to b, value of a is how much? X. Now you see the coefficient of b, coefficient of x how much? Minus 7 by 2. You have to make it minus 7 by 2. So what will be the value of b? To get minus 7x by 2. X already there. So you have to get 7 by 2x. So numerator will be 7. It will be 2. 7 by 4. If you cancel, you see 2 to the how much? 4. 2 to the 4, you will get 7 into x, 7x by 2. So the value of b will be 7 by 4. As per identity plus b square, b value we got how much? 7 by 4. So 7 by 4 whole square. Now plus 3 by 2. Now you see a square minus 2a into b plus b square. It is this one, this part we get according to identity. X square is x square minus 2 into x into 7 by 4. You will get how much? 7x by 2. If you cancel 2 to the 4, then you will get 7 into x, 7x by 2. Then 3 by 2 also in your question. But this part, 7 by 4 whole square, is not in your question, not in your equation. So you have to again subtract 7 by 4 whole square is equal 0. Now as per identity, from this part we will have what? A minus b whole square. Value of a here how much? X. Value of b we have how much? 7 by 4 whole square plus 3 by 2 minus 7 square is 49. 4 square is how much? 16. Or you can write in their square form also. 7 by 4 whole square is equal to 0. Now you see x minus 7 by 4 whole square plus 3 by 2 minus 7 by 4 whole square is equal 0. So again you write x minus 7 by 4 whole square plus 3 by 2 minus 7 square is 49, 4 square is 16 is equal 0. Now again it will same plus now take LCM of 16 and 2. We know 2 is 16, here also 2 is there. LCM of 2 and 16 is 16. 16 by 2 is how much? 16 by 2 is 8. 8 3 is 24. Minus 16 by 16 1. 1 into 49 is 49. X minus 7 by 4 whole square. Now you see, before 24 we had plus, before 49 we have how much? Minus. So before greatest term we have minus. So 49 minus 24 is 25 by 16. Now that part you have to write in square form. X minus 7 by 4 whole square minus. We know 5 square is 25. 4 square is 16. So it will how much? 5 by 4 square. 5 square is 25. 4 square is 16. Now again we have the identities. In lower class you have got this identity also. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So here you see a square minus b square. It is in that identity. According to that identity, we have x minus 7 by 4. It is a value of a plus b. Plus b value we have how much? 5 by 4 into a. Next value a value x minus 7 by 4 minus b. B is 5 by 4. Now here you have to take again LCM. Here you see the denominators. Denominators are 4, 4. So you take LCM. LCM of 4 and 4 is 4. 4 by 4 is 1. 1 into 7 is 7. Plus 4 by 4 1. 1 into 5 is a 5. In the same way you have to do that part also. LCM of 4, the denominator 4 and 4 is how much? 4. 4 by 4 1. 1 7 is a 7. Minus 4 by 4 1. 1 into 5 is a 5. X minus. Before greatest term 7 we have minus. Before 5 we have plus. So we have to do subtract. 7 minus 5 is how much? 2 by 4. X minus minus 7 minus 5 is minus 12 by 4. Now you see 2 to the 4 we can cancel. So now this one also we can cancel. 4 to the 12. What we have now? X minus 1 by 2 into x minus 3 is equal 0. So either x minus 1 by 2 is 0. So x is 1 by 2. Or x minus 3 equals 0. So x is 3. So the roots. So the roots are what we get 1 by 2 and 3. Now we will go to the next question. Now we will do question number 2. Find the roots of the quadratic equation in question number 1 above by applying quadratic formula. So in question number 1 question is this one. The same question we have to solve by applying quadratic formula now. So here this equation you have to compare with the general quadratic equation by comparing with The general quality equation is what? Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal 0. We have here a is how much? In place of a, here how much? 2. B, coefficient of x is b. Here coefficient of x is how much? -7. So b is -7. C is how much? Value of c is 3. So after finding a, b and c value, we have to find the discriminant. Discriminant d is equal to what? We have b square minus 4ac. So b value we have how much? -7 minus 4 a into c. A value we have 2, c we have how much? C value is 3. So -7 square is how much? 49. Minus 4 into 2 is 8. 8 3 is how much? 8 3 is 24. 49 minus 24. 49 minus 24 is how much? 25. So discriminant is greater than 0. Since discriminant is greater than 0, so here we have two distinct roots. So now we will find out the roots by using quadratic formula. So what is the formula? X equal minus b plus minus discriminant b square minus 4ac by 2a. So we will use this formula. This formula is what? It is called quadratic formula. Minus b, value of b again how much? -7 plus minus discriminant. Discriminant getting how much? B square minus 4ac getting how much? 25 by 2 into a. A value is again 2 minus into minus plus minus square root of 25 is 5. 2 into 2 is how much? 4. Now you see x equal getting how much? 7 plus minus 5 by 4. So either x is 7 plus 5 by 4. 7 plus 5 is how much? 12. 12 by 4 is 3. Or x equal 7 next minus 5 by 4. So 7 minus 5 is how much? 2 by 4. We know 2 to the 4. So we have how much? Next value is 1 by 2. So one root we get 3 and another root we get how much? 1 by 2. So these are the roots of this quadratic equation 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals 0. Thank you.